How to enable or disable Gboard, Clipboard, show addresses, phone numbers, and other items pulled from recently copied text on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the Settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on General Management. In here, tap on Gboard Settings. Then go down and tap on Clipboard. Then tap on Show Addresses, Phone Numbers, and Other Items pulled from recently copied text. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here, if it is turned on, we can pull the information from the clipboard. So if you copy it to the clipboard, the information can be available for you to use. Right here, you can see it shows and the phone number in the clipboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.